Hello, welcome back. Yep, so it's another day and well, another evening for me. And for the life of me, I can't remember where we got to. We've got plenty of iron plates. Yeah, plenty of rods. Let's see what we like for concrete. Oh, nuts. We're at the stage where we need, yeah, we need to get to coal, because being without coal is a pain in the arse. Yep, lots of screws and go away. Yeah, not having coal is a pain. I just need some cable. That's over this way. Oh, nearly fell. And that goes down here, and we get some wire. Nice, nice, nice. Quite some sticks, lots of sticks. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this stage of the game. But I guess you have to start somewhere. Nah, let's dump our stuff. I'm sure I had more stuff than that in. Oh, I did take it all out, I think. Yeah. Anything else I need to drop? I need some more of them, maybe. This one. I haven't built that yet. Although, can't remember ever needing one. Okay. Let's biofuel. Must be an easier way of doing this. At least it gets faster the more you do. Marvellous. Right. Can I build a space elevator? Cool. Bosh.
Project assembly initialized. Congratulations, Pioneer. The space elevator will now automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform. Project assembly is divided into phases, each of which require the delivery of project parts, such as smart plating, via the space elevator. Subsequent phases unlock access to new tiers with more advanced technologies to construct, automate, explore and exploit. It is time to be honest. This project is part of the Save the Day program, the largest united undertaking in human history, destined to save us all. Earth is in peril and only Ficsit pioneers offer hope for survival. Ficsit is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you. Do not let Ficsit down.
Cool. Okay. Oh. Parts. So we need... Have we not unlocked it yet? Okay. Let's do this.
Milestone reached. The assembler can produce more complex parts, including the first project part, smart plating, which is crucial for initiating project assembly. Project parts must be delivered to the space elevator. By completing your contracted duties as part of project assembly, you will definitely be helping achieve Ficsit company goals without any other ulterior motive. Note: humans cannot craft project parts. Do not worry about your inadequate crafting skill when compared to an assembler. Ficsit cherishes your innate human abilities, such as walking, striking objects, and commodifying natural resources.
Yeah, I can walk. I need rotors, so I might as well go for that one. Got all that. Yeah, might as well go for that one. Yeah, go for the sink. Right. What do I need? I thought it would have been on here. Let's use this smart plating. So to build that is reinforced plate and rotors. Screws and plates. We can do that, we'll just bodge it up. We've got that over there, got that up there. Screws and plates. So we want a merger, E. Merger, conveyor. Nice. And for now, I'll just build up here. And soup. Yeah. So I need production. That's it. Assembler. We need rotors. So we need rotors. So I build a workbench, crafting bench. Rotor. Should be enough. So production and assembler. Where is it? There. Right, let's have a look. We'll do rotors first. That's 20 rods and 100 screws. Okay. That gives 4 per minute. So on this, but on this, how many do we need? 2 of each. So I think budget maths now. What are we missing? Reinforce iron plates. Yes, we've built 2 of these. And twizzle that round. Over here. Let's say 8. I need 16-ish. There you go, 17. One for good luck. Well, if we build 2 assemblers, one there, one there'll do. Have these, build this, and on that. Yep. Put a that's a merger. It's a shame you don't have stuff like overflow splitters. You know what I mean? So if he gets backed up, it blows another way. What I'll do, which might be better, is yeah, chuck that in. Straight. That actually make it straight. That's not bad. What's it like? R default. Okay, R straight. That's quite nice. I like that. It's just me figuring it out. Okay, so we want again we want a 8, change that to merge. I'll do. That's beautiful. That saves so much time. Let's build a 7. So that's into there. That doesn't want to go into there. Okay. 7. Okay. Not impressed. Go. Merge. And that's pointing the wrong way. Jesus. Merge. This way. Will that go into there? Yes. It goes into there. Oh. What's going on? Merge. Point in the right direction. There. 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 Marvellous. That's configured as Rotor, which needs rods and screws. That needs... Oh, no, we need to change that. Needs to be Rotor. Rotor, Rotor, box. From there. Oh, don't. There we go. Right. Let's got rotor coming in there, got plates coming in there, you got storage for both of them. So we now need to just get that into there. Splitter. Do there. Let's do a I like that. It's beautiful. So we've got rods somewhere, I think that's down here, is it? Yeah, rods are there. If I shut down here. You ever got a feeling that you beautiful. Build more default. Bleh. Wrong one. And scoot that up to there. Scoot that down to there. Beautiful. And hook up some power. Let's see, watch everything trip out. So why is that not running? That should be running. Oh, we're slow on screws. That's running. There it goes. We need some more wood. I did say it. I can't wait to get to coal. Make life so much easier. Hello? Ow. Ugh. All I want is your sticks. Just your lousy sticks. I'll grab the slug. $392, $397. Some over here. Oh. Might as well. I don't think I got much wood for that. Quartz. Okay, let's power biomass. I haven't got enough wire. Can't produce any more wire. Alright, no connection. Right, best get some wire. Ooh, fruit. Get some leaves. It's just a shame there's not anywhere that's really high to take advantage of, oops. Take advantage of the windmills. How was he over here? I can hear something. I can definitely hear something. Can you hear something? I can hear something. Ah, stuck there. Come on. Uh. Nuts. Wrong way down. How much wire have we got? We got, sort. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We got 1,000 wire. we're struggling on. So what we'll do is just, at the moment, we'll just turn that off. The cable, sorry. Let's build up some. Should we just split that off? How much does that use it? 15. Let's split that off. No wonder we're struggling. Splitter. Building number 6. Somewhere. Oh. Reinforced plates. Number 6. That's really ugly. It's really bad. Hey ho. Splitter. Can we get a merger in there? Should we just put an extra? We'll just put an extra conveyor. Put that on top of there. Yeah. And we want wire. And we want power. Power. Is it power? Power. No, we don't want to do that. Power. Connect to power. And then we can switch this back on. Make cable. Make double the amount of wire. Yeah. Like this. Loads of lovely branches. Okay. Oh dear. Yeah, it must be an easier way of doing this. Right, okay, so we got some solid biomass there. Now, where was we before we got disturbed? We were over here, making a right mess of things. Okay, we've got plenty of rotors. Well, not plenty, but we've got some rotors. Yes, we've got rotors. Both of them producing? No. And we need to tap off those screws. I suppose we're constantly blocked out. What we'll do is delete this. Take that. And put another line in. Worth a try. Drop that down there. And conveyor it over. If I go up a bit. And a splitter. Nice, nice, nice. And there they come. We just need to go from down there to up here. Whatever. Don't worry, we'll tie this up at some point. We've run out to find plates. Oh. It won't let me take them. Don't need many. I really don't. I'll go from there to there. That's fine. And we want a number 7. Smart plating. Oh, joy. Okay, let's get some power. Very close. Yeah, the max is can I build one of these somewhere? Hey cat. Sorry, that's my cat nudging me. So that gives an extra 5 megawatts. That we don't have to feed with sticks. Yeah, it just gives that little boost. Where am I going? This way. Hey cat. Okay, so that should be producing smart plating. There he goes. I'll leave that to it, I think. And start clearing up some of these other tasks. I'll handball it over to the elevator. Right, let's tidy up. Get rid of the slugs. Could do with some more rods. Okay. Let's do this.
Milestone reached. You have been given access to the anti-waste effort for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program, also known as Awesome. Your awesome input allows Ficsit to comprehend our amazing universe more clearly. In appreciation of this, we have generously set up an internal, closed economy with exclusive rewards and currency. Directing parts of varying quantity and complexity into the Awesome Resource Sink will grant Ficsit coupons. These coupons can be redeemed in the Awesome Shop for highly desirable items such as new foundations, walls, factory attachments, cosmetics, parts, and more. Next time you have additional resources, just remember to go that extra kilometer. Go awesome.
Oh dear. So that's just about keeping up with the screws. What's this one doing? 360. That's gaining a little bit, not much. How's that's losing? Ah, that's probably because I've only got 3 rows. Oh well. We only need 50. I've only got no spare. And no spare of them. That's not bad if we got no spare. Ah, it's building up here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this spare. Can I? Yeah. I'll take the spare of these. Just for now. We haven't really got anything producing excess at the moment. What's next? Ads and dispensers. We can get that. I don't think I'll be doing anything with it. Oh, it's back in 50 seconds. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing anything with it for a while. That's worth it. At some point, once I get that fully automated. Here it comes. Some of that, some of that, some of that. And I'm not too bothered about jump pads, I never use them. Should I ever use them? I just right. Well, that's doing that. I'm gonna go to that crash site. Well, that's... Or is that where the dam is? The waterfall. I might go up to that one. Can I mark it? There it is. Okay, let's do some exploring. Let's just check this before we go. Top that up. Gather some sticks while we're out. Yikes. So we're not far from getting that phase 1 complete now. Then we should be able to unlock the oil. Oh, bacon.
Potential edible collected. Reminder that look and smell alone do not provide sufficient data to determine exact risk of consumption. Just because it looks like you can eat it, does not mean it won't eat you. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
It's up that hill, isn't it? What's this?
Unknown metal collected. This metallic element is showing properties similar to those in Group 11 on the periodic table, such as high conductivity and malleability. Research it in the MAM to establish classification and potential application.
Come on then. Over this way. Really? Ooh. That was a big one. Let's get a tower. Nice. Anything else? Nice. Our first hard drive. Nope, to that out.
Damaged hard drive successfully acquired. All pioneers are contractually obliged to preserve and secure any recovered hard drives for analysis in the MAM, which may result in benefits to the Fixit mission. Speculation as to why there are crashed freighters in your Fixit designated zone is discouraged as specified in your contract.
Cool. First hard drive. Would that be a slug? Grab the nuts. Grab this. Well, let's check on that plating. And see if we can complete this. Because time's going on. Oh, pretty. First time I noticed that in the sky. We're nearly there. If we're producing 2 per minute, that's 5 minutes. Let's set this to the hard drive and plop that in. Hard drive. Hard drive. Fingers crossed. Right. Yeah, I think this needs to go up. It's way too low. I think it needs to be at least higher than the miners. How are we doing for stuff? Not too bad. 1500 concrete. What I should do is just leave this running overnight, but it's pointless leaving stuff running at this point because we're not on call yet. See what we could actually do for now is come on, well, you must be able to fit that in somewhere. We just delete that and nope, that's not going to fit in there, is it? Is possibly wire this up, and you know we won't have enough power for it. You just know it. Yeah, we won't have enough power at this moment, so we'll just add a splitter on here somewhere. What do we mean? Let's delete that. Oh dear, dear, dear. Is what we'll do instead of do here. Oh, that's big. Is it powered? Start getting some coupons. Right. Let's see if this is done now. 53. Marvellous. We'll have the 3. Can we drop them into the coupon thing straight away? Can we drop that in? No. Oh well. Well, let's do this and then call it a night. So I'm getting tired. Nice. Are we ready? Get unlocks 3 and 4, which is our oil.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 1 project part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 1 will be completed and the distribution platform will be constructed. After completion of Phase 1, the technologies of Tiers 3 and 4 will become available in the hub. Highlights are automated power, steel production, personnel transportation, and many more. Completing Phase 2 of project assembly is your next main objective. New project parts will need to be produced and delivered to the space elevator as you have done previously. Continue to construct, automate, explore and exploit for a better Ficsit future.
Okay, let's pull it. There it goes. Cool.
Phase 1 of project assembly completed. This is only the beginning of project assembly, the first step towards saving the day. You have performed adequately so far. Reminder: not only is Ficsit saving humanity, it is saving all of Earth, including kittens and puppies. It is statistically likely that you appreciate the continued existence of kittens and/or puppies. Continue the work for their sake. Continue the work for Ficsit. It is time to start the work on Phase 2 of project assembly.
Nice. I think that's it. Well, thank you for watching. We'll let that continue to get some points up there, wherever it is, and let's see what we need for quick look. Coal power. Marvellous. And I think that's what we need now. Get coal power going, and then that just be so wonderful. We've got lots of stuff. And we've got all this stuff which I've never touched before, so be interesting. Yeah, solar panels and excellent steel. Hypertubes. Yeah, fab. Okay. Right, that's me for the day. I'm shattered. Anyway, look after yourselves, and hope you liked the video. And it's... oh, blimey, it's a long one. Anyway, if you managed to make it to the end, thank you, and yeah, look after yourselves. Alright, goodbye.